Got some new bolts for the cam and primary. More exciting stuff. Oh, dropped a knife. These are all the old bolts, kind of f***ed up, and then there's like a random one in the mix here. So new ones are all on, which is great. There's a couple extras in here, which is always a good sign. So the next step for putting the rocker arms on this piece here, you must find top dead center after the compression stroke, which I've already done for the rear cylinder. So the piston is sitting at the highest position. That straw barely went in there, or high enough. And now there's not as much tension on these springs, so that when you put this on, there's not hundreds and millions and thousands of pounds of pressure on it. There's just a little bit of pressure. So yeah, I think I've done that correctly. I'm pretty sure it's sitting at top dead center after the compression stroke. So yeah. Everything is, all the bolts are on. Nothing's torqued down. There's still a small gap here. You can see through it. It's in top dead center after the compression stroke. So now is another sensitive little procedure where we're going to torque everything down, but in a star pattern, little by little, until the two surfaces meet, and then we're going to hit it with the torque wrench. All right, this side is all done, and just waiting for the spacer and then the cover. But I'm instead going to do the front cylinder. All right, everything's tightened up the way it should be on both. So now we can start putting the rest of the covers on. Pretty sure you don't have to pay attention to anything else for the rest of these covers other than the gaskets. So this should be pretty much easy street getting it back together. Good deal.
Nice and clean.